In today's video, we're covering record sharing for activities in Zoho CRM, the June Zoho Books product update, spotlight forms in Zoho Forms, offline signatures in Zoho Contracts, and a brand new product called Zoho Community Spaces. Today is the 15th of June 2026, and this is the Zoho Report. Zoho has introduced record sharing for the activities modules in Zoho CRM. Until now, if you wanted to share a task, meeting, or call with another user, the only way to do it was indirectly by sharing the parent record. That changes with this update, allowing you to share activity records directly from the More options menu on the activity record itself, the same way you'd share other records in CRM. The second part of this update is just as useful. When you shared a parent record and included its related lists, only open activities were included. That gap has now been closed, with closed activities automatically shared along with the parent record. Now, this is another phased rollout and is currently available for users in Japan and Australian data centers, with the other ones coming online soon. Zoho Books just dropped its June 2026 product update. Make sure you check out the entire article linked in the description, but here are some of the highlights. A dedicated French edition has been launched, which is fully compliant with ISCA, which is a mandatory requirement for all VAT-registered businesses in France using billing or accounting software. Layout rules for custom modules have also been added, so you can now define conditions that make fields hide or show, become mandatory, or get auto-populated based on values entered in the system. Let's hope this is a precursor to the same feature being released in the standard modules. The new Annexure attachments feature for PDF templates allows you to append supporting documents as additional pages at the end of the generated PDF. Handy if you are regularly bundling terms, rate cards, or supplementary documents alongside your invoices. Price lists can now be associated with specific business locations, so pricing is automatically applied based on hierarchy. Customer level price lists take precedence, and if none is set at that level, the system falls back to the location assigned price list. Zoho has released a third type of form called a spotlight form, and it sits somewhere between a standard form, which shows all the fields at once, and a card form, which breaks questions down into separate pages. The idea is straightforward. All fields sit on a single page, but respondents scroll and only one field is active and centered at a time. Everything else dims in the background. There are no next or previous buttons, just a scroll to focus experience. To create one, head to your form builder, click New Form, select Blank Form, and choose Spotlight as the form type. You can also change an existing forms type by clicking More Actions, change Form Type, and then select Spotlight Form. Zoho Contracts has introduced an offline signature feature, and this one fills a gap that's probably been frustrating a few teams. As not every contract gets signed digitally, sometimes there are regulatory requirements, counterparty preferences, and internal policies that mean a wet signature is the only option. The new feature allows you to download the finalized contract, get it signed through whatever external process is needed, and upload the signed copy back into the platform with the signer's details. Zoho has officially launched a new product called Zoho Community Spaces, although we thought it had already been launched. It's a platform for building and managing online communities, covering discussion spaces, live events, knowledge bases, and member management, both paid and free. It's still early days, but if you manage a community for customers or members and have been looking for a Zoho native way to do this, it's worth keeping an eye on as it evolves. And that wraps up episode 15 of the Zoho Report. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to catch the next episode.